Where to eat in Imus? This is located inside Epic Food Park. Super easy to find and very accessible. First thing I tried, the matcha oat milk. Dito pa lang sold na ako. Smooth, not too sweet, matcha girly approved. Their iced cafe latte is simple and comforting. The type na pwede mong sabayan ng quiet moments. Yung pancakes, 3 layers of soft, fluffy, not too sweet goodness. Perfect with coffee and their waffles came in huge. Light tiramisu vibes, hindi nakakaumay. And honestly, shareable talaga. As a trend type, approve! Price starts at 130 pesos. Super sulit na since food are shareable. But more than the food, the vibe got me. It's cozy and warm. Perfect for family time, coffee date, or quick catch-ups. Open sila daily. Perfect for merienda or late coffee. So if you're around Imus, this one's definitely worth the stop.